Hey guys, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Today I've got a really beautiful thank you card for you. It's a sneak peek and a reminder all in one card. We are using the Painted Lavender bundle. I love this bundle from the spring catalog. It is unbundling, so this is your reminder to check all of those bundles that you had your eye on, because even if they're carrying over into the new catalog like Painted Lavender, they won't be available with the 10% bundle discount. So grab Painted Lavender while you can. That is our reminder, and our sneak peek is the gorgeous new Mediterranean Blooms Designer Series paper. So you can see I've used that paper here with the lavender, kind of an out-of-the-box combination. This will be available starting May 1st to customers and is available currently to new demonstrators in their starter kit. Mediterranean Blooms is this gorgeous citrus on one side, and it's got beautiful like mosaic or tile, different shades of gorgeous blue on the B side. Just a really pretty, fresh and summery designer series paper, 12 by 12. All right, so we are featuring the Painted Lavender stamp set with the 2024-2025 annual catalog paper sampler. So this is an extra warning to all of you who are considering the paper sampler. You can use any stamp sets you want with our annual catalog sampler projects, but I am using the Painted Lavender, so if you want to grab it before the bundle discount is gone, now's a really good time to do that. The other thing I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to try to remember to post this and say it as often as I can, the Painted Lavender bundle is unbundling, so grab that. And then in the class that goes with our sampler, we are also using a lot of Very Vanilla, thick Very Vanilla for card bases, so grab your thick Very Vanilla and your envelopes before the catalog retirement, the official catalog retirement, Oral Supplies last April 30th. I have Daffodil Delight and Old Olive and Night of Navy, and we're going to stamp our lavender using these kind of out of the box for lavender ink colors. Wait till you see. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the class for the paper sampler. Now we're going to do the stems in Old Olive. I don't need this other piece of white scrap. I think we're going to be fine here without. And then we'll set that aside and let it dry for a minute. I've got a little circle and a banner already die cut here. Let me show you where those came from. The circle is from the Stylish Shapes, and it's the third from the largest from Basic White. The banner is an awesome one from All That Dies, and these are retiring. Perfect little sentiment flag here, and this little die cuts two of those sentiment flags at once, so really good for making lots of sentiment flags. I've got the word thanks. Now I grabbed this little thanks greeting from a brand new stamp set. Here's another sneak peek. This is attention shoppers, but any little greeting will do. You want the flat side to your left, and then you're going to stamp thanks all the way to the right so you can make this into a tag. And then the butterflies, also from the Painted Lavender, are going to go right on our little circle here, kind of up and to the right. And there is our stamping. Let's get our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and cut out our lavender. But before that, I'll give you a little sneak peek. So we're doing our paper sampler like we did our celebration event. We had such good response and so much fun in our celebration event, Zoom. So paper sampler is going to be like that event. We're going to have 3 Stamp-A-Stacks, all using your new paper from your sampler. You'll get the PDFs for free. This is a Painted Lavender Stamp-A-Stack, makes 3 designs. This is the Country Birdhouse is the Citrus Blooms, and this one makes 3 designs and 5 cards. All right, so that is a sneak peek at the class. To join the paper sampler, email us, marisa@kitchentablestamper.com, and we will give you a link to register. Just note that registration for the paper sampler ends May 1st. All right, I'm going to die cut these with the matching Painted Lavender dies, and we're going to just simply line them up and give them a crank. All right, there's our lavender, and as you can see, Night of Navy, Old Olive, Daffodil Delight, or in the in colors. However you choose to use your Painted Lavender, you're going to have so much versatility with this stamp set. Let's assemble our lavender, and I just like to put a little bit of liquid glue right at the bottom and then add the stems over the top. Now we've got one piece. I want to show you, this was our thank you card club for cool people. Sorry if it's a spoiler. We made this card for all of our card club subscribers and included it in the kit, and they had some extra embossed pieces already done. So I want to show you this. This is soft seafoam cardstock. It's 3 inches by 4 1/4, and we embossed it with the cane weave embossing folder. I really love that cane weave with the new Mediterranean Blooms Designer Series paper. It's a very complimentary texture. And I'm just going to roll up the corners just a little bit. Don't go crazy. And then I'm going to add liquid glue right in the center so you don't glue down those corners. If you want to glue it down completely flat, go for it. I'm gluing this to a thick basic white card base. And then we're going to bring in our Designer Series paper. These are 1 by 4. And you can see the reverse sides of these as I put the glue. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm going to put my navy so that a little bit of that cane weave sticks out from underneath, and then my floral. I hope you're enjoying getting to see the oranges Designer Series paper and the lavender flowers both outside of the box. Lavender doesn't have to be purple, the Painted Lavender, and the oranges Designer Series paper does not have to go with oranges, although it'll go really great with your lemons if you've gotten some of the fun previous lemon bundles. All right, our little butterflies in the circle are going to go on the card, kind of a little bit left of center. And then our lavender, you can do that one with liquid glue too. All right, back to our little thanks banner here. Let's make it a tag. I've got a 1/8 inch circle punch, and we're going to just punch a hole at the end of the banner, thread some linen thread through. I love the natural texture with all the nature elements we've got going on. If you want to, you can just tie this over under. Don't tie the bow yet. Just hold on there for a second. Grab your Stampin' Dimensionals and adhere the tag to the card. I'm going to take 2 half Stampin' Dimensionals, pop those on the back of my tag, and then I'm going to pop the tag onto the card. So it looks like the tag is kind of holding together our little bouquet of lavender flowers. And we're going to loop, swoop, tuck, and pull, which is all so much easier when everything's attached to the card, and you can use the card to hold down the project. Once you've got a bow that you like, then We're going to trim off the excess and cut it away from the spool. I like to leave a long loopy tail. And then the last touch for this beautiful not lavender thank you card are these iridescent rhinestone basic jewels. And I'm going to go bonkers. I'm using 5. There's 3 different sizes, so I'm just going to kind of sprinkle them across the entire card, using up all the sizes. There it is. There's our thanks not so painted lavender, or painted not so lavender card. If you've got any questions about the project or our 2024-2025 annual catalog paper sampler, please reach out, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. You'll need to email us to request the link to register, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.